guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's in my Life's a Peach tote. I don't mind this little dirt mark, like I've been wearing it a lot, so it's gotten dirty already, so I'm going to have to figure out how to do, clean it, but it's so cute. I got it at Five Below. It has ropes for the handles. It's technically supposed to be a beach bag, but I don't play by the rules. I'm gonna use it as a purse just because I like the way it looks. So, plus I feel like if I took it to the beach, it would just get ruined with sand. So I don't really want to deal with that. So this is what it looks like on the inside, with all my pouches. Very spacious. There is no closure because it's a beach bag. Some beach bags do have a closure, which I do wish this one did, but that's fine. So I'm gonna jump into this pouch. And I have the cotton candy gum. It's sugar-free. It's Project 7. I got it at Target. I actually didn't know it was sugar-free, so that's pretty awesome. So I got a lot of goodies in here. First, I have my Melody pill container. I keep all my essential pills in here. It has 4 different compartments. I have a little nail file that I got at the Dollar Tree. It came in this travel size and a big one, so the big one's staying at home. Next, I have my pink sparkly seashell lip gloss. I got it at the Dollar Tree. Got this Broadway Colors Elixir lip gloss, very pretty color. Got this at Family Dollar or Dollar General, can't remember which one. Pretty color. Then I got Mountain Dew Baja Blast lip balm. I have a Carmex Comfort Care and Claudial oatmeal. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, mixed berry. Just for those chapped lips, because sometimes those flavored lip balms don't really do the trick. So then I have Nivea Milk and Honey Lip Care. Smells so good. I got the Bodycology Shea Butter Hand Cream and Cherry Blossom. Got this at Walmart. I got a birthday cake flavored lip balm by Taste Beauty. It's sparkly, it's very cute. I got a travel size neutral colored blush by Tarte. This is in Tote. Just for, if I need to touch up blush or something. I have my compact mirror. It has sweet treats on it. Little ice cream cone, gummy bear, and a hard candy. Got this off Etsy. Loved it. I had to get it, and I believe it was on sale. Next, have another lip gloss, LA Colors. Let's see. It is in the color. I don't see, Happiness. I love that just neutral orangey bronze shade. Just if I don't want color or anything. Next I have the Cotton Candy Fluffy Stuff flavored lip balm. I have a cute little cupcake eraser that I just like keeping in there for aesthetic purposes. And then I have an ice cream cone as well. I'm not going to use them, I just like them in there because they're cute. Then I got this from Dollar Tree. It's reversible, like to silver or pink. I got 2 of these. I got a blue one too. But yeah, the pink one just in case I get Starbucks or something and I want to look cute instead of the cardboard ones, and if I want to try to save the environment. I got these soap sheets in case a place doesn't have soap. It dissolves. So yeah. got that. Then I got this really cute koozie from Five Below. Has donuts, catacorns, unicorns, ice cream cones, all the cute stuff I like. Have a macaron lip balm in the pink one. Got this at Dollar General, I believe. And then I just have some of the Creamy Delight candies, just if I'm wanting something sweet and not too crazy, because I am still on my Weight Watchers diet. So I have all these cute things in this one. Let's move on to the next. Now this one's not too exciting, but I think it's super cute. It's pink and glittery. Got it at the Dollar Tree. This just has my pads in it, just so they don't come spilling out, which would be very embarrassing. So I'm not going to show you that because I'm pretty sure you all know what pads look like. I love pink, as you can tell. This is my Betsy Johnson wallet I got at Ross. Rainbow colors. Very cute. Next, I like to call this my little cotton candy bag because it reminds me of cotton candy, and it has a little puffball zipper pull on it. And the back just has a little character, and it's purple. So let's unzip this puppy. First I have a mermaid tail lotion in watermelon from the Dollar Tree. I have a on the go cotton candy body fantasy spray, so I'm always smelling good. I have a LA Colors Glow Now Skin Illuminating Liquid Highlighter, which I tried it and it's really awesome. So in case I want to touch up a highlighter and I don't want to bring like a full compact and like have the risk of breaking it, I just use that. Got a pink pen. Oh, the donut came off of this. Shoot, yeah. I'm gonna put this back together quick. It just goes on there, but anyway. I got my pink donut gel pen, Dollar Tree. Super cute. Got my Tide to Go stick in case I get stains, which I get a lot. So that's it for this pouch. Roll this away. Next, I just have a clear glittery bag of these brushes I ordered on Amazon, I believe. They have little shaky crystals on the inside. And then I just put a Real Techniques Kabuki brush in there just for blush or whatever. I like the way that looks. And I might, like, if I'm not using this for brushes, I will use it as a cosmetic bag. This is my sunglass case. Really cute and summery. Next, I have Classic Cutie by MAC. It is super cute. It has little cupcakes and clouds on the back and front. Show you what it looks like here. If I can open it up. Ooh. Oh good. I thought I dug my whole nail in there. Well, I did dig a little bit. Oh well. This is what it looks like. It's very cute. Purple, neutral themed. So just in case I want to touch up eyeshadow. And I have this pouch I got at the Dollar Tree. It has lipsticks and a lip gloss on it and roses. And I also have this. There we go. little perfumed lotion from the Dollar Tree. Have a pink on-the-go toothbrush and toothpaste. I love the 3D white. I have the Ivory Clean body wash. I have herbal essences, shampoo, and conditioner. Have the Crest mouthwash. Have this mermaid looking nail clippers because I never have nail clippers. I finally got some. I got this toilet spray, lavender and vanilla scented. And then I have this perfume, on-the-go perfume. And some of these little plackers in case me or somebody needs them. That way I got everybody. So put all this away. It's kind of my like toiletry, like on-the-go bag. Have some receipts. One is for Dollar Tree and the other one's for Five Below. Surprise! Alright. Last one is this sparkly pouch I got at the Dollar Spot at Target. It's pink and gold. So I have my AirPods in the silicone case. I like carrying those with me. Next, I have a donut scented puffball pen. I have the butter blush. I have a little flashlight in case of an emergency. I have Smoke and Mirrors lip gloss. Diamond Lust lip gloss. And you barely can see it. Like what I like to do is put it over lipstick. Gives it some dimension. Then I have tweezers with little lips on them. And last, there is the Bolero Cleansing Peonies and Pear Facial Wipes. Paraben free from the Dollar Tree. So that's all that's in my purse. I hope you enjoyed. And I will talk to you very soon. Thank you so much for watching.